Come here. Those are so sweet. All right, so my friend Gabe has finally made it back in town from Colorado. So today, taking the E36 over to his house, where it's probably gonna spend the next couple weeks, I'd say. We're gonna get started today on taking out the rear subframe and all that jazz. I can't wait to get started. Before we leave though, I need to load up some wheels and my tools. I gotta transport these wheels over to Gabe. He had me pick those up like a week ago, I'd say. He got these things for a hella good steal. Oh. Eh. He ended up getting 2 of these wheels for I think 150 bucks, which is crazy because they come with great tires on them and the wheels are in fucking amazing condition. This one even came with a wheel weight with the BMW logo still on it. I didn't even know that was a thing. The rest of these wheels are mine though. All these tires are pretty much trash. I just have them for the wheels themselves. I have 4 more of the wheels that are on my car, along with the 4 that originally came on the car. And then I also have, these were the wheels that got thrown in when I bought the car. The Style 17s. Trying to sell these online. I don't know how much people are willing to pay for those though. I definitely don't have enough room in the BMW to transport all those wheels today, so I'm probably just gonna take Gabe's over and then I'll just slowly take the rest of the wheels over as I can, because we're gonna be just storing everything over at Gabe's garage because he has a ton of garage space. But without further ado, let's get packing. Bye. All right, I just got the okay from Gabe to head over, so let's head out. Here we are. Look at all this garage space. All right, so we made it to Gabe's house. Man's moving his car right now. I always forget how mean that car sounds.
These should both look so clean.
Right? That's what I'm saying. Like in the pictures, I thought they were gonna be nice, but like, I literally just had to wipe them down. That's it.
Crazy.
Right?
For 152, even though it's not a whole set, I mean, I'm still.
I mean, fuck. You got tires that are in perfect condition, pretty much. Like they have like 80% life on them, and perfectly fine wheels. It's nuts. For 150. You'd be lucky to find a single wheel on eBay without a tire.
True.
For 150. They're this clean. It's nuts.
It has 2 different treads. Fuck.
Is it?
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, that's not too big of an issue, honestly. I mean, fucking the rear of my car, I'm running 2 different treads. That's just how they came. I don't think I showed you guys yet, but I finally got the rear, or the fronts, brought back down. So they look a lot better. Gabe and his girlfriend went to go get some pandas, so I figured while they're gone, I would start to get the car up on jack stands and get these wheels off in the back. Also, sorry if this video is a little dark. This is all we have for lights right now, but you know, we'll make it work. We're gonna make it work. All right, I've got the rear up on jack stands. The main goal today is just gonna be trying to get this subframe out. Neither of us have really done this before. We've really just looked at YouTube videos to see how it's done. So we're just gonna wing it and see what happens. Hey, they're back. All right, we got the back portion of the exhaust off. Now we're gonna take off the brake calipers and go from there. we should have left to do is disconnect the subframe mounting bolts. So we just have one here, one there, one there, and one there. Alright, it's a moment of truth. Take it real slow. Be ready to stop when we tell you to. Okay, you stop?
Oh yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Right now it's being held by the two back ones.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right.
So it might lean
Oh, wait,
back.
no, it's coming. It's coming down. Alright, yeah, it's going. So here, start coming back down a little more.
Dummy slow.
Dummy slow.
Like my mile time.
Right here, stop. This drive shaft still does not want to come out.
Hey, Kellen.
Yeah.
You bastard.
Hey, Kellen, pull it more your way if you can, if it's possible. Jamie, help him push it.
Oh, no,
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Fuck that.
Alright, I guess let's keep dropping her then.
Alright, dropping her a little bit more.
Alright, here, stop. Oh.
Got it?
Nope. Okay,
There we
okay,
go.
drive shaft is out.
You guys ready?
Yep.
Oh my god.
That's it.
Oh my god.
That's it.
You're
Holy
fucking
shit.
kidding.
I'm gonna go down a little bit faster. Back slowly again.
Alright, here, hold it there. Alright, now we should be able to just start pulling her out.
Alright, location on rotors right now.
Yeah, wait, give me
Oh, is it? Oh my god.
All right, ready? Pull it.
I'm gonna pull. And boom.
Holy shit!
Rear sub.
Dude, that was fucking
Bro, that was so easy.
That was so fucking. That was way easier than I thought it would be.
God damn.
Here, can you
She's
get that?
out.
Can you get that for the creeper? We'll place it right here and then we can.
Like what?
mess with
First time ever pulling a subframe. That was honestly pretty easy.
Really fucking easy. I was so surprised.
Thank God for YouTube, am I right? Completely empty.
Actually, look.
That's crazy.
You think we can lift it?
Yeah.
So I just checked and it only took us 2 hours to get the subframe out. I thought it would at least take 4, but I mean, shit. That's so nice. Damn. Well, now we can get to welding the diff, I guess.
Oh, that was really.
So, fucking Fernando's bitch ass was like, hey, let's check if there are any cracks at the mounting points. He gets underneath and he's like, oh no. But nah, these bitches clean.
This bitch is so fucking clean, bro.
It actually is. Holy shit, for 250,000.
They're not that bad.
Fuck.
No, I looked, dude.
Yeah, there's no cracks.
No, dude, it's fucking man.
That's
This thing was
so
probably-
sick.
This thing was probably babied, bro.
Oh my goodness. Damn. She's way too mint for $1,600. Like that's ridiculous.
I could eat off this if I wanted to.
I can't believe I totally forgot to check that too. That was the one thing that I was scared about taking this subframe out. Awesome. That's sick. All right, so now we're gonna get going on draining the diff fluid so we can get to welding this diff as soon as possible. Man, I'm just so excited. I can't believe this came out so goddamn easy.
You didn't even introduce us to the vlogs, you bitch.
Oh my god, okay.
Holy shit.
Fernando. I honestly forgot your name. I'm so bad. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Kellen.
Kellen.
It's Kellen.
I knew it. And Gabe, you guys met him, right? Hi, Kennedy. I'm so sorry, Kellen. I'm honestly terrible with names. Alright, let's take this plug out. Let's see how this diff fluid's looking.
Why?
Ooh. Nice.
I sent it.
Cut up.
No, I need a break from the
Nice.
From what?
It kind of looks like chocolate milk.
Dude, I almost started to melt so badly right now. This one's so good.
All right, we don't have the proper socket to get these star bolts out of the axles, so we're gonna run over to Lowe's, pick up that socket, and probably pick up some paint so we can paint this subframe. We could just take Fernando's clapped Honda. Look at this thing. Ooh, can't forget my drink. Your friendly neighborhood Lowe's.
Oh, it's a for Winning Warrior. It's for me.
Bubbles.
Bruh, you're not a wounded warrior. You just got hit by a train.
Same.
He's a warrior.
Lowe's didn't have the sockets we needed, so off to Home Depot. Oh.
American GTR, my friend.
Oh, socket. No, they have to have them. It's in the Husky section for sure, I can tell you that. Ooh, wait. Ah, I found them.
Bueno.
Fucking BMW and their inverted hex bits. So we're looking at paint for the subframe and the diff. Look,
Diff and then
Shiny
subframe.
metallic. Yo.
You might have to do it.
I'm honestly down for it. I mean, if you guys want to do it.
I'm down. I'll do it. Me and Kellen will definitely.
Bright, shiny finish. I don't think it's going to come out that bright or shiny.
I don't know. I mean,
Fuck it. Alright, so we picked up all the stuff to get this rear subframe looking pretty. We decided we're going to paint the subframe a matte black color. And then we thought it might look cool to get the diff a gold color. I don't know. I think it might go good with the green on the BMW, but we'll see. Now that we have these stupid inverted Torx bits, let's get this diff out of this bitch.
fuck you.
Damn, it's an E36 party up in this bitch.
Show my Honda. Show my Honda.
And
Yeah.
And the sick ass Cressida.
Where should we wash it? Right here?
There goes the diff.
You sure?
Now I can finally get to washing this bitch.
Blood, sweat, and tears for it.
Right after lots of brake cleaning, lots of scrubbing with the wire brush, we got her totally cleaned off. Now we just gotta let her dry, and then we'll get to painting. In the meantime, though,
We'll be fucking.
we're gonna start opening up this diff.
Can you give me your pry bar?
Yeah.
And put that in. Oh, never mind.
Nice.
You had no gasket.
Holy shit.
Wait, there was actually no gasket?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Oh wait, never mind. You did,
Okay, I was about to say, like, that doesn't make any sense.
but you don't need it.
Who needs gaskets anyway?
So now we have the axle back off. We thought it might be fun to see what the car sounds like. This 4-banger's gonna sound like such trash.
I'm kind of nervous, dude. No cap. Oh my god, my eardrum!
Oh my god!
My eardrum! Fuck!
I mean, like, it doesn't sound terrible.
It sounds pretty nice, to be honest with you.
Definitely loud as fuck, though.
Because it's metal walls.
I mean, still, though. It's definitely not as raspy as I thought it was gonna be, though. Now, there's no way I can actually run the car like that because at Spirit Peaks, they require a muffler.
And grab one of those.
That's just way too loud anyways.
I know what we're gonna get in the group chat now. Most creative is Jamie. Most verbal is Gabe.
What?
Yeah.
For what?
In the group chat. The group chat it tells you.
Most creative? What the hell does that even mean?
I don't know. It says that. Most creative.
What? I mean, it looks cool. So we thought while we wait for everything to dry, we'd give the diff cover its first couple coats.
Oh, dude, that looks pretty good, to be honest.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go. Ready? Oh, it's still so wet. Yeah. Honestly, it's gonna look hella nice.
I think it's gonna look pretty good.
Oh.
This gold actually came out really fucking good.
Wait, how old are you?
I'm excited to see how it looks with the matte black on the subframe. We'll be painting that tomorrow, hopefully, but we got her all cleaned up. But anyways, I'm tired. We're done for the day. I think that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.